To science, it's nerve energy. To the sages, it's bio, the subtle wind of consciousness. Without it, the body is just a cell waiting to fall apart. You may think it's just a simple term, the nerve force. But listen closely, this may blend your mind. Every living thing, whether it's you, a plant, or a tiny cell, does just three essential things. First, it keeps itself alive. That means taking in food, turning it into energy, and getting rid of waste. This is called the sustentative function. It's how your body grows and stays running. Second, it makes more of itself. Reproduction. One part breaks off or splits, and boom, new life. That's the generative function. Third, all the parts inside communicate and work together. Your brain tells your hand to move. Your heart beats faster when you run. This internal coordination is the correlative function, and it's what makes the body move as one system, survive, reproduce, coordinate. That's the entire job description of the living matter. Simple, powerful, and happening inside you right now. Today, let's talk about the correlative function of the human body. In Ayurveda, it's called the prana vayu, nerve force, that governs all the correlative functions of human body. It is somewhat like a force which sets the whole organism into motion. Vayu isn't just a movement, it's life in motion. It is self evolved, not created by the body, but present as the primal force within it. It acts as the principal factor behind birth, continuity, and decay. From the very first breath to the final exhale, Vayu governs the flow, the signals between cells, the rhythm of the heart, the rise and fall of thought. Without Vayu, there is no action, no connection, and no change. It is the invisible thread that holds the body together, drives its evolution, and finally signals its disintegration. Vayu is the primal force, the unseen energy that governs both our organic functions and our mental faculties. It's not just air or breath, it's the very life current, the subtle controller behind every movement, every thought, every pulse. What makes bio unique is the way vibration flows through it. Unlike light, which moves in straight lines, Vayu moves inwardly, directing, coordinating, and balancing. It acts as the master regulator of the body's internal communication system, the core of correlative functions. It holds the delicate balance between sustenance and creation, between the body's need to maintain itself and its drive to reproduce. It's what keeps us alive, aware, and connected. So, when we speak of Vayu, we are not just talking about nerve impulses. Vayu is life's molecular force, its bioelectric spark, its inner vibration. It is not merely symbolic, it is real, measurable in the effects, yet subtle in its presence. In short, Vayu is not just nerve force, it is every force that moves life. It is said to be self born and deeply connected to the divine energy of eternal life, what many call God. This is because it works without conditions or limits, is eternal, self created, and spreads everywhere, just like the sky or the smallest particles. Vayu is the key force behind everything that happens in the universe. It causes things to be created, to grow, and eventually to break down, whether they are living beings or not. The word bio comes from va, meaning to move, because it is always moving through everything. Even though bio is invisible, its effects can be clearly seen and felt. It is cold, light, dry, fast moving, and sharp in its action. It moves in a side to side, transverse direction. It can be felt through sound and touch. These are the two senses most closely linked to it. Vayu is full of rajas, the energy that causes movement, change, and action. It is extremely powerful and helps guide or correct the body when its inner forces, dosas, got out of balance and start causing disease. In short, Vayu is the unseen power behind life, change, and motion. All beings, knowingly or not, depend on it and honor its presence. Thank you for watching. It's beyond belief.